Hi guys, today we're gonna do very easy grading with this top t-shirt, very easy, just basic grading. And now we're gonna do it in this 2D CAD, which is actually a Chinese CAD, which I got it when I used to work in China. So just to show you how the grading process is done, So in this CAD, I just go here, and this allows me to input points and distance which I want, like horizontal and vertical. So I want to show you, start from this basic grading, so we have a kind of better understanding how to do a grading. Basically, grading is something that to make bigger sizes fit, but the design shouldn't actually change. So now here I have only size M. I'm gonna add a few more sizes. Don't ask me how I know this Chinese. I just remember by heart, where things are. So let's say this is the M, so I'm gonna add the S, maybe XS. We can do as many sizes as we want. L, XL, double XL, maybe 2XL, and also 3XL. So we have plenty of sizes. Once I add them here, you see they come up down here, and here I just gonna assign them a color so we can recognize which size is which. Cool. So we're gonna start from the M, so we're gonna grade it up and down. Usually all these points I'm gonna go like that and just add 1 centimeter, and also here -1 when you go on to the other side. Then usually here should be maybe the half of this measurement, so we're gonna do 0.5. That's it. Also here 0.5, and we're gonna do the same at the back now. I'm just gonna put 1 centimeter now because it's easier to grab, and -1. Then I'm gonna rectify here, which is 0.5, 0.5. Cool. Then at the bottom, usually we add, this is the bottom now, we add 1 centimeter. Sorry, it should be -1. There you go. And here on the top, we're gonna grade it 0.5, 0.5, going vertically. You see this line, it shows you that is actually 90 degrees grading. That's it. Now what we're gonna do about the collar, we didn't get this 0.5. Now basically, if I go and look the measurement of the collar, is gonna be pretty much the same for all of them. You see, all the sizes is the same measurement. So to do the grading of the collar effectively, what we're gonna do, let's look at all the sizes. We're just gonna go out just a tiny bit, so here 0.5, so here I can go 0.1. Maybe -0.1, that's it. And here 0.1. That's it. And also gonna do it here 0.1, and here -0.1. Just 1 millimeter will do it. Now we're gonna see that the actual color changed, like 0.33, and we're gonna report this on the collar, which we're gonna make it longer just on one side, 0.33. That's it. So when we actually gonna go The collar is shorter, like 6 centimeters, you know, than the neckline, to make a kind of nice roll. You see, this is all kind of proportion. There's just a millimeter difference, which doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's pretty much basic grading, which can be done very fast in this CAD. So I like to work here because then we can actually do the layout and to print it out with the plotter for production. So we first start the design in CLO, then we finalize it here for production. Doing the grading is very fast. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.